This is a 500 kilowatt solar power plant meticulously designed by Tanfon for its client. Today is December 1st, 2025. At this moment, the system is stably outputting 208.7 kilowatts of clean electricity, while the client's real-time load is only 192.6 kilowatts. This means that the client is operating entirely on solar power, achieving true energy self-sufficiency and zero grid power consumption. This is not accidental. Data analysis shows that the system configuration precisely matches and fully covers the client's electricity needs. Behind this is the customized configuration based on professional analysis and precise calculations by Tanfon engineers, not blindly pursuing ultra-high power, but creating a truly efficient and cost-effective optimized solution. And this long-term stability relies on reliable support. Tanfon's professional operation and maintenance team provides 24/7 monitoring and early warning, with rapid response offering the strongest guarantee for the long-term return on your green investment.